In this session, we'll study a new operator in C++ language, namely resolution operator. We'll see only one use of resolution operator in this session. The other uses of resolution operator we'll study later on while discussing the object-oriented programming features. Let us see. Integer Raj is equal to 100. This statement. The variable Raj is of integer type and I have assigned the value 100 to it. I have declared this variable about the function main. That is why it is a global variable. After that, I have used same variable name inside the function main. I have declared a variable Raj which is of integer type and I have assigned a different value to it, that is 200. I assume that you know the concept of global variable and local variable of C language. So these two variables are stored at two different places in the memory. The first Raj contains 100 and the second Raj contains 200. The first Raj is a global variable while second one is a local variable. Now if you display the content of Raj inside the function main using cout object, then which value will be displayed? The value of local variable will be displayed. Let us execute this program up to this step. Press F4 key and see the output at DOS prompt. 200 is displayed. 200 is the value of local variable, namely Raj. In C language, if you want to display this value of global variable, then we'll have to use pointers. But in C++, the method is very simple. Use the resolution operator to display the content of global variable. You see, I have written cout, then insertion operator, then scope resolution operator, then variable name, this global variable, and after this the manipulator NL, insertion operator, and then NL. So here we have used resolution operator. Let us see the effect of this one. Continue the execution up to this step. Press F4 key and see the output. Press Alt F5. You see 100 is displayed. The value 100 is the value of global variable, namely Raj. Let's analyze the second part of the same program. Using resolution operator, I am changing the content of global variable. Previously it was 100. Now I am assigning the value 500 to this variable. Execute this statement and after that display the content of Raj, which is a global variable, using cout and insertion operator. Just move the cursor over here, press F4 key to execute both these statements. Press Alt F5 and you see the value 500 is displayed. This value 500 is the content of variable Raj, which is global to this program. Understood the working of scope resolution operator?